Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 23, часть 1, страница 52-53, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 23, part number 1, page number 52-53. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 52. 52. The stone flower. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Great, excited. Vase, woods, plant. Каменный цветок. Послушай, укажи на картинки, проговори слова. Great, excited, vase, woods, plant. Listen and read the story. Послушай и прочитай историю. Look, there is a drawing of what he wants. Ella can see how much this means to Butterfish. He wants to make something very special, but he is not happy with the drawing. This drawing has no life in it. I need to look at something that has life in it. He goes to the woods to look at the plants and flowers, hoping to get some ideas. He walks day and night on the vase. He wants it to be the best vase in the world. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. Exercise number 1. Read the story through, then read the sentences and write the stories. Прочитай заново историю. Прочитай предложение и напиши, кто говорит первым. Sentence number 1. A very rich man from the village wants you to make him a vase. The answer. Number 2. I need to read something that has life in it. Done. Exercise number 2. Read the story again and correct the sentence. Прочитай заново историю и исправь ошибки. The answer. Excited, rich, vase. Drawing, plants, woods, plants and flowers, vase. One day, Prokopich runs home, very excited. A very rich man from the village wants you to make him a vase. Look, here is a drawing of what he wants. The miller wants to make something special. He goes to the woods to look at the plants and flowers, hoping to get some ideas. He walks day and night on the vase. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. There's beauty in the plants. There's beauty in the trees. There's beauty in the flowers, dancing in the breeze. Mother Nature's beauty is here for all to see. Open your eyes, open your heart, open your minds, set yourself free. There's beauty in the mountains, there's beauty in the sea, there's beauty all around you. It's here for all to see. The answer. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.